We're standing on 133 acres of Tennessee countryside, and most of what you see around me is yours. Let's take a walk and see what's waiting back here. This property gives you the kind of space and privacy that's hard to find, with rolling hills, mostly wooded acreage, and a peaceful setting where you can truly get away from the noise. secluded setting gives you the privacy to enjoy the property on your own terms. Now, let's take a look at the home. This rustic log house features 4 bedrooms and fits perfectly with the character of the land. It gives you a comfortable place to come back to after a day outdoors, whether you're here for a weekend, spending time with family and friends, or using the property as your hunting base. It's the kind of home where the setting does a lot of the talking. There are also a couple of older structures on the property, including an old pole barn and an old dairy barn. They provide additional space for storage, equipment, projects, or future plans. And when it comes to the basic utilities, the heavy lifting has already been done. The property has public water, electricity, and a 2-bedroom septic system already in place. Whether you want to build a private hunting retreat, create a weekend getaway, enjoy a recreational property, or simply own a large piece of Tennessee where you have room to spread out, this 133-acre estate gives you plenty of options. You've got the woods, the rolling hills, the log home, the barns, and the privacy, all in one place. If you're looking for your own private corner of Tennessee, this is one you'll want to come walk for yourself.